Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this new video. I'm Nasma Khatun and I have always been an obese person all my childhood, and my highest weight my body has reached is 96 kgs when I used to be in my 12th. And today in this video I'm going to talk about a simple salad which actually worked like magic to lose my weight. And not only a salad, it's a protein salad. When you're eating it, you don't need anything else to add with it. Like in Indian diet, we usually mean it like just cut down the cucumber, tomatoes or carrot or beetroot, but it's not like that. And here I'm sharing some of the glimpse of all those salads which I ate throughout the weight loss journey, and all of them are delicious and rich in protein and fiber. Well, today I'm gonna share a fruit salad because I am a person who is mostly like the sweet. So today it's gonna be a sweet fruit salad, but there will be no sugar. All the sweetness are from the fruits itself. I actually have recorded this salad months ago, but today finally I got time to upload it. So here you can have a look at the fruit options I have chosen, and definitely you can select your favorite ones also. In a mixed fruit salad, definitely the one thing you have to keep in your mind, and that is the portion you are serving in your plate. I have chosen one medium sized apple which is quite effective in the fat burning process. And in the next, as you can see, I'm slicing down the mango. Definitely you can replace it with banana if you like that, so but I usually like this one as mango is in the season and I really don't want to skip it. But you must know one thing, that it is a sugary fruit, so you have to add wisely, otherwise the salad may not be effective enough in your weight loss. The next fruit I have chosen is red grapes, and honestly this is one of my favorite one, and I never leave a chance to have this as it is loaded with anthocyanin and resveratrol, and both of these are antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compound which is very helpful in the weight loss. And surprisingly these two are very high in the red grapes. And make sure before you add it into your salad, you remove all the seeds from the red grapes. In the last 3 months, almost in every salad and smoothies I have made, I have added enough pomegranate, but I don't like the process of removing all the seeds from it. Well, I do believe that it's a task of patience. Usually, I don't like the season of summer, but I like the fruits and veggies available during this season, as most of them are loaded with water, which keeps your body hydrated. And these are the fruit options that you can definitely go for, like the watermelon, the pineapple, these are very hydrating. If pineapple is unavailable near you, then definitely you can add papaya or watermelon, any of them. I personally like this one, but you can definitely choose another watery fruit. But make sure you're not adding too much of watery fruit in your salad, otherwise, it will start releasing water gradually. The next fruit I'm adding is a pomelo, which is the largest citrus fruit among all of the citrus fruits. It actually looks huge from outside, and just after peeling it, it actually reduces its size. This is one of the hydrating fruit available in the market, which you can simply just have it just after adding a few pinches of salt and black pepper. This is one of the beneficial citrus fruit which is available in the market very easily. So you just simply have to peel it and add it in your bowl and enjoy it just after adding few pinches of black salt and black pepper powder. Now it definitely looks weird that I'm adding a veggie which is definitely not related to fruit. Well, the reason is it is loaded with starch and I really like the taste, which makes my salad little filling, and it actually stops the craving for a long time. Now our chopping is done, so it's the time to transfer these all fruits into a large bowl where we can mix them all together. Now finally the most exciting step begins, and which is our final step, and that is making the dressing for the salad, and that too has to be very healthy and weight loss friendly. So to make the dressing, I'll add only those ingredients which can help me to burn fats very fast without a harm. To make the dressing, instead of using olive oil or peanut butter, which is very high in calories, and I have replaced it with low fat curd, which contains minimum amount of calories. And with this I have added overnight soaked chia seeds, which is known for its effectiveness to burn the fats without a harm. It is loaded with omega 3 fatty acids, which is very beneficial for our body. Well, I'm making this salad for the purpose of losing weight and reducing few inches in my body. And if you are someone who is not interested in losing weight, then definitely you can replace it with tahini. Tahini is very high in calories and loaded with fat, so definitely I would not love to add it here. It may not allow my salad to lose weight. And then I have added 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. If you don't like the taste of cinnamon powder, then definitely you can go for flaxseed powder. And at last I have added around 1 tablespoon of organic honey. If you don't want any extra sweetness, then definitely you can just simply skip this part. After doing all these steps, now it's the time to mix them all together, and you have to be very gentle and delicate while mixing them because these are chopped fruits. One very important step which I have forgotten, and very sorry for that, and that is adding lemon juice. Few years ago my father actually planted this lemon tree, and almost all the time lemon is available in my home. So whenever we feel the need to have a lemon, we just simply go and pluck it from the plant. Our salad is done. Now, the only thing you have to keep in your mind, and that is the portion. Definitely, you cannot have too much, otherwise, you may gain weight as it is loaded with natural sugar. So, thank you so much, everyone, for watching this. See you in the next video.